Here's a quick look at the new Young Living site that will hopefully help those of you guys who are placing first orders or who are just navigating the website for the first time or helping a friend order, etc., etc. So when you go to the new website, first thing you'll notice at the top here, place a subscription order or a one-time order of 100 PV to earn a 24% discount. So PV basically means product value. And that will show when you're ordering something. It's usually one product value equals $1, but it's not always the case with some of the products like diffusers, etc. So not exactly a one-to-one ratio, but in general, it's similar to or the same as the dollar amount. So let's just search, for example, okay, CBD muscle rub. Now you'll see here the two options, the 600 milligram or mg, whatever that stands for, which is a higher strength or a lower strength, and one is under $100 and one is over $100. So if I do a one-time purchase of this one that's over $100, then it should actually make it 24% off. You have to create an account. But this would be 24% off. If, however, I purchase the one that is $98.95, the only way to get 24% off on that is going to be to subscribe. Now, when you go to subscribe, that is going to automatically, see how that's taken off the 24% savings. Your frequency can be monthly, or it can be every 2 months, or it can be every 3 months. So you get to decide how often you're going to use something. If this is something, let's say like my probiotic, Life 9, it's a 30-day supply. So I am subscribed to this, have been for forever. We just called it something different besides subscribe and save. But that I order monthly. But there are other things like the CBD muscle rub that I don't need to get monthly. Every 2 months or every 3 months is fine, but you're still going to save the 24% off because you are subscribing. So the frequency doesn't have to be monthly in order to get that discount. So the cool thing about this is that now, whereas before you had to order a certain amount to get a discount, now you could sign up for Young Living, get the 24% off just with your probiotic. Just with that one item, as long as you're subscribed, you will get that discount. There's no need to buy a kit. There's no need to buy a certain dollar amount. No need to do anything except get that probiotic every month, which, as I've told you guys a million times, everybody should be taking a probiotic. So very, very simple. And then you just check out, you'll add your account. And if you need my number, then it should pop up if I give you a link. But it's 113-79166, and I can type that up for you. If you need it, I'll add it in the text with this video. But that way you will be able to just automatically get on my team and then just get one product if you want on subscribe, or get 100 PV and then earn that 24% discount that you used to have to get a kit in order to get that discount. So much easier, much simpler. I like it better. Hope you guys do too. Let me know if you have any questions.